Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your PlayStation 5 game, not copying from the disc. So let's go ahead and jump the video right now. So I'm trying to play Battlefield 4 right now, and it has stopped copying from the game disc. What are some things I can go ahead and try? The first thing I suggest is making sure there's enough storage space on your hard drive. So let's go to Settings, and then going down to Storage. Then go to console storage or your SSD, and then select games and apps. Then find a game to go ahead and delete and just remove it. So let's go to Ghost Runner here, select items to delete, and then select it and go over to delete. So just try deleting a few games just to see if it will copy over now. Now if that doesn't work, press the PlayStation button and then go over to Power and completely turn off your PS5. Close all games and apps and turn off your PS5. Now we're going to launch into the safe mode menus. And before we launch into safe mode, inspect your disc. There may be a bunch of thumbprints or something like that on the game disc preventing it from copying over. So clean it with a microfiber cleaning cloth or just a soft dish rag like this and get any kind of the smudges off the actual disc. Then insert it and see if it works. Now with our PlayStation 5 completely 100% turned off, there's no orange light right here or a red light. We want to locate the power button and hold this down. We will hear one beep initially, and then about 5 to 10 seconds later, we will hear another beep. Then go ahead and let go. And this will launch your PlayStation 5 into the safe mode menu. And to operate this menu, you will need to plug your controller in with a USB cable. Otherwise, it won't be able to work. So let's plug my controller in, and then we will need to press the PlayStation button, and then we can use the D-pad to operate the menu. Now go on down to option number 5, clear cache and rebuild database. We could try clearing up the system cache, and then we can try going to option number 2, rebuild database. This says it may take a few hours to rebuild the database, but my experience only takes like 5 minutes at most. So your PlayStation 5 will restart, and I'll give you an estimated amount of time of how long it will take. And if you are having any kind of solid state drive issues, this should go ahead and fix this for you. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, go and leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.